Welcome to Allegan, Michigan. This is the 2nd Street Bridge, a truss bridge erected by the King Iron Bridge and Manufacturing Company of Cleveland, Ohio in 1886 at a cost of $7,532.25. 18 feet wide and 225 feet across the Kalamazoo River. It was saved from demolition in 1983 at a cost of $552,000.25. Just kidding on the 25 cents. The bridge was registered in the National Historic Places in 1980. With the population of 5,000, Allegan sits on the south central portion of Allegan County. This is City Manager Joel Dye talking about the renovation project throughout the downtown and riverfront areas.
The city of Allegan began, it's what we call its renovation project, shortly before I came here. Starting with the riverfront that we're standing on right now. The riverfront stage to the right of me was constructed, in 2016. And then when I showed up, we completed this redevelopment project with the splash pad, the zip line towers, and the plaza behind us later that year. So it's been a project that's been ongoing for several years to just bring new life into this riverfront.
Lots of investments going on in the downtown area.
Oh, it's really hopping. We have some young people leading our city chamber, and they're really pushing family stuff like we have now. There's something going every Friday on the riverfront, so it's pretty nice. They got a lot of things to do for people in town. I've been here myself since 1954 when I was 12 years old when I started. So I'm 75 now, so I've been here since then. This is a picture of the Star Theater, which was here from about 1908 to 1924 when they moved across the street and became the Regent Theater. The same person was Mr. Dunham, who was in that picture, I think, was the man who built the Regent across the street. And he also did one in Otsego. And then he moved later in life to California, where he died.
The city of Allegan owns Art Deco single-screen movie theater that shows first-run movies. So the big blockbusters that come out of Hollywood, we show here. It is the best deal in the Midwest. For $4, you get a movie ticket. For an extra $5, you get a popcorn pop and movie-sized theater candy. And it is packed all the time.
This store was originally a livery stable. That's why I don't have a basement, because the horses would fall through. And then after that, it was a Greek restaurant. It became a Western Auto store in 1946, and we bought it in 1947.
Rejuvenation happening in our city. We're fortunate that we have a large manufacturing base with Perrigo, pharmaceutical company in town, and the community is really starting to pull itself up by the bootstraps and have some pride in their town and invest in their town.